CMWDS is a centralized, multi-washing dosing system for industrial washing and a part of our out-of-the-box IoT solution with patented technology. Thanks to its multiple functionalities, it provides added value to all parties affected by its application, including chemical distributors, laundry facilities, and all their end clients like hotels and restaurants. Let's start with the chemical distributors. Thanks to the innovative technology of RF connectivity, all dosing system hardware equipment in the facility could be easily set up without any communication cables. The RF technology also provides the ability for using different types of sensors and positioning them where needed into the wash extractors or the facility. The software platform provides graphical real-time presentation of temperature levels during the washing cycles and pH levels at the end of the washing cycle. Another great benefit of the CMWDS system includes precision dosing due to the flowmeter technology for maximum effectiveness of the washing process. By using a level sensor with wireless technology, we can easily receive real-time information regarding the chemical levels in all containers. Thanks to the two-way validation technology of CM2W, the values obtained are compared with additional information about the consumption levels generated from the flow meters to make sure the dosing process goes properly anytime, so chemical distributors avoid the possibility of underdose. Considering its technical specifications, the multi-dosing washing system can be connected to up to 5 wash extractors and 10 products, or even more by adding an additional system module. The dosing solution could be adjusted for working on a sequential, parallel, and shared pump dosing mode. Overviewing some additional benefits, the CMWDS offers an automatic self-valve check in order to prevent chemical mixing and a single and dual flow meter mode. Additionally, the dosing system is equipped with an air flush, ensuring air transport for all chemicals, and improved by a low-level alarm to provide real-time visibility of the amount remaining of chemicals. An auto-select formula mode could be applied as well. It determines specific calculation formula, so the chemicals can be dosed according to a preset program amount. Each program can be auto or manually selected, as well ensuring maximum control over the washing process. To save extra time and effort, all operational and calibration settings, as well as the washing programs, can be duplicated to another dosing system from a system library or another device in the organization. The intuitive application program could be configured by any worker with general technical knowledge using schematic settings. Moreover, we are offering a long-term IoT solution, including long-lasting hardware equipment, 7 years mainboard guarantee, and software, always easy to update with the latest version. Other great benefits are a hold mode that provides the opportunity to pause a washing program while waiting for chemicals, independently of other wash extractors and its dosing, and a weight control that adjusts the amount of detergent according to the laundry weight to ensure there is no chemical loss. All reports generated during the washing process can be transmitted to external programs. And last but not least, all chemical distributors profit from our unique progressive notification filter, PNF, for filtering and addressing important notifications to the responsible people and ensuring faster reaction time. Taking a deeper look at the washing processes, all industrial laundries could benefit from a temperature sensor, which controls the dosage of some detergents by reaching specific temperatures and indicates the heating rate of the washing machine. An ozone generator could be 100% integrated to the dosing solution. The CM2W software monitors all metrics and indicators and manages the ozone dosage in the wash extractor according to the washing program. All real-time information related to the washing process is displayed on a facility dashboard 24/7, showing the effectiveness level, any problems with the dosing system, and many more details regarding the washing cycles. All laundry facilities benefit from up to 30% faster installation time and a unique flow meter technology, where one pump could dose low viscosity and high viscosity fluids equally precisely. Furthermore, we managed to ensure maximum transparency and an overview of the whole washing process in the laundry, even for end clients like hotels, to make sure every party benefits from our end-to-end IoT solution.